I'm Beatriz Castillon, founder of Beatriz Kirou. I started this project 2 years ago when I found out jewelry was my passion. Jewelry is the best kind of expression I have. I find inspiration every day, out with my family, reading about my culture. It is in everything I do. I want to show the world a little piece of Mexico with our work, our vibrant color, people happiness, and most of all, our unique style. All of our blings are handmade with love. We like to use only the best of materials: gemstones, natural stones, crystals, Swarovski crystals, and for a perfect finish and a perfect look, gold and silver. We want to bling your life.